Hi guys, I just come home from school about 15 minutes ago. It's not a while because I just got home. I just turned PC on. We got some severe weather threats. And yes, we do have tornado warnings. And yes, we do have tornado warnings down here. And the look, before last year's tornado just walking in Arizona. Today is the 6th of January, and there is tornado warnings in early January right now. So this is this is something you actually not to fool us right now, people. You people live in that state, this is not you need to fool with, because that's where most of the tornadoes are going to hit this year. So I think so I think 12, oh, we got a couple of them. We do have a few of them. Oh yes, we got like how many tornado ones we have? There are more than 3. There's at least 3. No, just 2. Okay. Then we got some ice storm warnings in Picayune. Again, it is causing up to 2 or 3 inches of ice. There is more than 500,000 people without electricity right now in Picayune, like it did the last month. And I think we got nothing right now. We're very close to that advisory. And look down here, snow, and yellow, that's freezing drizzly, and ice. Got different colors. Flood warning had issued because of melty snow. Okay, I'm not gonna post this 2 parts in YouTube till like the 10th. That's Saturday. 50% windy mix with my guy. We're supposed to get like a freezing rain advisory. So I might got like an ice almost. Wednesday to Wednesday night, Thursday. Good chances too, look at that. And we got snow snowing in there. And what else in the future? Snow. I only post videos when it is a big deal. Like 1 inch of snow of the whole episode is not actually not a big deal, but that's not gonna do for. So today, right here, we're at 18 right towards Arizona, and now we got some freezing in Ohio, Picayune, and Indiana. Then rain and snow in Indiana, Ohio, Picayune, and the UNION is actually getting mixed up. This low pressure is pushing right this way. Between this low pressure and this low pressure, pushing right this way, causing the warmer part in the south and the coldest part in the north. So, and oh yes, but that's a snowy spot right here too, in the west part of the United States. I don't know how in the hell they get severe storms and tornadoes in the south part of the United States in January, like we did in Indiana and South Bend, that's the city I live. And then tornadoes hit right here on that time. Yeah, tornadoes hitting right there this summer, and the other city right here, January. So this is actually not cool. This is actually not good. Southern storms is called. Stay tuned for more updates. Okay, well, update. Oh, bad weather still in the northeast. Ice storm warning. Oh my goodness. Mary did not touch New York City. The ice storm warning have been issued for like, a couple counties. How much ice you gonna get? Well, maybe when we look at it, supposed to be like 1.5 inch of ice excuse me. About half an inch to like an inch in uptown New York. In the New York area. And by the way, if you're from New Jersey, you can see New York City from there. I've been in New Jersey before. I can see New York City. There's another ice storm. Is that an ice storm down there? No. But it could be one right here somewhere, but might be able to be ice around this way in North Carolina. South Bend, my hometown. In my hometown. 30 seconds to go. And we got some snow. Oh my goodness, look, we still gonna get snow. I'm probably not gonna post it till like the 10th. If I have a chance. Okay, well, something wrong with the video saying, I fixed it. I found the problem is. And okay, purple. We're part of it. 1 to 3. It's hard to lunch. We're about to turn. Stay tuned for more weather updates tomorrow. Greetings. Today's the next day. It's 5:38. It's getting dark outside. Reasons why, because I'm facing the PC. Right now we're under a winter storm watch again. And we got like another half a foot of snow coming right towards us, but that's not gonna stay there forever. 6 or more possible. 6 or more. Hold on a second, could we get this? Where is it? Oh, okay, there it is. Just want to get this thing on here. Just got home. Okay, oh, that purple background? That's on my channel. I put like a couple music videos in there, but that's how we go. Windy mix, we got like a little windy mix about ice. And we got some trouble in Montana. And guess what? Montana's in trouble. Oh yeah, Montana, North Dakota is in trouble right now. And the next one's gonna hit is Nebraska, Montana, Mississippi or whatever. Mississippi, Wisconsin, and Indiana's gonna get hit. Ice storm warning issued about 13 counties. And winter storm North Dakota. We're gonna have the same thing. So we're under a winter storm watch right now. Nothing's not going too bad right now, so just want to check and make sure everything's okay. And when we go to YouTube, maybe get the web straight up. One that I'll watch till like 11:30 p.m. tonight. Not a big one. Stay tuned for more updates.